In the twilight of Rome's ancient glory, a lone figure dared to challenge the tides of change. Meet Julian the Apostate, the last pagan emperor, a man who sought to resurrect the fading echoes of an ancient faith. In a world dominated by the rising tide of Christianity, Julian stood as a solitary guardian of the old gods. His ambitious quest unfolded against a backdrop of political intrigue, religious fervor, and a relentless clash of civilizations. Julian, driven by a profound belief in the power of the past, endeavored to breathe life back into the ancient pagan traditions. His passion, however, ignited a fierce struggle with the forces of Christianity, shaping the destiny of an empire hanging in the balance. From the sun-drenched fields of Gaul to the heart of the Roman Senate, witness Julian's epic journey, a tale of courage, conviction, and a relentless pursuit of a lost heritage. Yet his story ends in tragedy, cut short on the battlefield, leaving behind a legacy that would echo through the corridors of history. Join us as we unravel the enigmatic tale of Julian the Apostate, a man who dared to defy the currents of change. Subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What secrets of the past do you think remain hidden in the ruins of history? Your theories could shape the narrative. Until next time, explore the untold stories of our world.